Hope all of you are very fine. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this. Number 10. Zambili. The series will tell the sweet and bitter events experienced by four friends born and raised in a town called Zimbili with an emphasis on friendship and brotherhood. Number 9. Uzak Shahar. Alia Albora arrives in Mardin with her late husband's funeral and their 5-year-old son to fulfill her husband's last will. However, this arrival marks a point of no return and there is no way out of Albora. The head of the Albora tribe, Jihan Albora, is no indifferent to Alia's struggles, but he refuses to let her take her child and leave. Confronting the darkness of the past, hidden secrets, and the harsh realities of the region, Alia Albora finds herself caught in a fierce struggle with her late husband's family. Number 8. Kalpazan. The series follows the honest Adam who works as an ordinary clerk at the mint. Adam turns his life upside down with a surprise he makes for his son Arda. What makes like an innocent gesture leads to an irreversible downfall in Adam's life, bringing him to the brink of losing his job, his wife Janan, and he was and even his son. Things take a further turn for the worse with the arrival of his charismatic yet cunning brother Kartal during this difficult period. As the two brothers challenge the law, the only person who can bring about their downfall is police officer Aisha. Kartal's unexpected encounter with Aisha and his subsequent love for her will shift the balance entirely. Number 7. Ayazin Sonu Gunesh. Gunesh is a young woman who has just graduated from university and is about to go to London to pursue her ideals. She is forced to give up all her dreams when her brother is imprisoned as a result of a slander. Vowing to save her brother from the hell he has fallen into, Gunesh infiltrates the life of Ayaz, who she thinks is the cause of the situation. Ayaz is unaware that he will pay with love for the big mistake he caused while trying to protect the conglomerate he inherited and his loved ones. While Ayaz, who has been used to living behind the walls he has built in his life for years, breaks down with these walls with the presence of Gunesh. Gunesh cannot avoid being caught between his feelings and revenge. Number 6. Gaddar. When Aidan broke his heart, Dagan thought his life was over. He abandoned his home, signed up for the army, and ended up in a special unit fighting in the east. Now, after 2 years of hard duty, Dagan's service is over. It's time to come home. But home is not as Dagan's remember it. His family is shattered, and his old neighborhood has given way to a dark underworld. Aidan is gone, and even the old friends who remain all seem to be caught up in shady pursuit. When his loved ones come into danger, Dagan reluctantly accepts an offer to become a professional hitman. But even a hitman needs a code, and sometimes extraordinary circumstances can turn an ordinary man into a hero, especially when Aidan suddenly reappears in Dagan's life. Number 5. Yali Chapkani. Hali Saga is the owner of a large jewelry empire and the head of the Korhan family. Even though his son Orhan and older grandson Fuad run most of the business, he still makes the most important decisions in the company. His younger grandson Farid, who is the total opposite of his brother Fuad, is a very irresponsible young bachelor who just returned from abroad where he went to study. Halis can't take any more of Farid's recklessness and he charges his widowed daughter-in-law Ifakat with finding him a nice girl to marry. The news that Hali Saga is looking for a bride for his grandson comes like a bolt from the blue into Kazem's mansion in Gaziantep. Kazem's only hope to get rich are his beautiful daughters Suna and Siran. Number 4. Gizli Bahji. The series tells the story of Nazli, a poor, single, and young mother living with her son Memo. When Memo's powerful and wealthy uncle Dimir Akchinar learns that his late brother had a son, he sets out to gain custody of Memo. Upon discovering Nazli's profession, Dimir decides he cannot allow his nephew to be raised by such a woman. he launches a fierce battle to gain custody of Memo. However, Nazli, who finds herself caught in this struggle, is not the person Demir thinks she is. She has an even bigger secret. As Nazli and Demir fight for Memo's well being, the Chinar family schemes, long hidden secrets, and shadows of the past will complicate their growing but seemingly impossible love. Number 3. Bir Sevdadir. In the southeast region of Turkey, 17-year-old Yeşil is raped by her uncle's son and becomes pregnant. As she is about to marry the man who rapes her, Ersan, who is serving in the region, kidnaps her from her wedding. However, the groom and his family pursue the fugitives, and the bride and the soldier are captured. The groom kills Ersan and Yeşil kills the groom. Yashil goes to prison and grows up there with her two children, a boy and a girl. When Yashil is released, she wants to ensure the safety of her children. Knowing that Tufan will not spare the tribe's blood, Yashil devises a plan. Upon her release, she will approach Ersan's family and claim that Ersan is the father of her children. Number 2. Galen. Growing up without knowing her parents, the orphaned Hanjar learned at an early age to fight against life's challenges. Since she has no one but her brother, she has become a warrior young woman who stands on her own feet. Hanjar is ready to do anything to save her sick brother from this challenging life. Jihan, the sole heir of a wealthy family, accepted the idea of an arranged marriage from his mother Muqaddar, who told him that he must have a son to continue their noble bloodline. Muqaddar is attracted by Hanjar's beauty and finds her suitable for her son. Although she does not like the idea, Hanjar accepts this marriage in order to cover her brother's treatment expenses. Number 1. Karaj Destani. The series follows Jilal Aga, who covers all the lands in his region, sees the lands of all the Agas, and ultimately has his last rival Usman Aga killed. On the day of the murder, Usman Aga's wife Raziye delivers a son. Fearing Jilal Aga's wrath, she entrusts her son to Jilal Aga's wife Asiye, who coincidentally gives birth to a daughter on the same day. This inadvertently makes Umar the son of the man who murdered his father. On the other hand, the daughter born to Jilal Aga's wife Asiye is kept a secret. Years go by and the Umar matures into a young man who is beloved and respected by all, a stark contrast to his father Jilal Aga. If you like our video, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more amazing videos like this.